This is our 1973 Buick Riviera GS Stage 1. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a really slow-paced walk around of the car, so you can see the little blemishes and things up close. Then there'll be some video clips of the interior, as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car from the second owner. It had been in North Dakota since new. Please take a read through the listing on our website, chicagocarclub.com, to get the full run-through because it tells the whole story. But the original owner had the car from 73 until 2008, lived in a small town in North Dakota, and then sold it to a gentleman in Bismarck who we bought it from earlier this year. The car is one of only a handful that was ordered in the extra cost color of burnt coral. It's over a neutral cloth and vinyl interior with a sandalwood top, matching stripes. Body is phenomenally straight. There is one ding on the car, and that is on the passenger rear quarter. You'll see a photo of that in the listing. But really, really honest, dry car. No bubbling, nothing behind the rockers, just mint. Dry, dry, dry. Glass is all clear and crack-free. This car was really, really well optioned, both on the creature comforts and performance side of things. So obviously the Stage 1s have the 455 4-barrel. This car was optioned with Posi rear end, dual exhaust, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, cruise control. It's a bench seat car, column shift. See that little badge on the rear that's from the original selling dealer. Car will come with quite a bit of documentation. We've got all the original books and manuals, as well as registration cards going through the years. And the original owner, who I mentioned had it until 2008, actually kept handwritten records of every oil and filter change going through the years. So mileage and oil type is documented all the way through. The chrome is excellent. Mirror-like finish. I mean, no pitting, nothing strange like that. You can see on the wheels tiny bits of age in terms of just like little chipping of the paint. But again, no pitting, no oxidation, bone dry car, responsibly kept by enthusiastic owners in one of the driest states there is. Should definitely replace the tires sooner rather than later. They're in fine shape, but I just don't know the age, so certainly do those. But as I said, glass is all clear and crack-free. Light lenses are all good as well. Those power windows are functional, seal up nicely to the top. I mean, cosmetic blemishes are so minor. Like I said, there's that little ding, and then there's just a couple very minor chips. The inside, equally as impressive, totally unrestored. No crushed door, no crushed armrests or kicked open markings on the door panels, no discoloring. The dash top looks like new. I mean, no little spots where adhesive was on it, no cracks, no warping, nothing like that. The wood finish looks very nice. No hairline cracks or age, no fading, nothing like that. You can see all the polished surfaces on the door panels look really good. Again, no oxidation. Carpets are mint and original, still nice and plush, as are the original floor mats. They will come with the car. They also look good. Analog clock's not functional. The radio's good. Gauges are all good. Heat and fan are good. AC was converted to R134 in 2011, but it does not blow cold currently. But it has been converted, so it shouldn't take much to fix. The headliner is clean and tight. The sun visors are firm and hold their position. Not any scratches around the keyhole, the ignition cylinder. I mean, very, very well taken care of. The neutral cloth, you can see it's cloth and vinyl. Looks really, really nice. Never reupholstered. It is original. You can see on the seat bottom, both on the passenger and driver's side, a couple little, they look honestly like fingerprint stains. Potentially would come out if you shampooed the interior, but I have not gone so far. But yeah, you can see in the corners of the sills, no bubbling. Very, very nice. The weather stripping's in good shape, not dry and cracked. There you go, on the driver's seat bottom, a couple more of those little blotches. Rear seat is fantastic, as is the little cargo area, we'll call it, around back. as you can see there. Car's a really, really strong runner, lots of power, shifts smoothly, brakes straight, confidence inspiring.